to a new video. So in this video, we are organizing in my pantry and fridge, and I wanted to bring you guys along to how I organize it because I see these videos on TikTok or here on YouTube and they're just so relaxing. It makes you want to just organize your things. So I was like, you know what? It's time for me to invest in some organization bins and actually organize my own stuff. So I thought I would do a video and tell you guys where I got these things. So before I start, you guys heard the baby in the background. Yes, I'm a mom, you guys. So you're definitely gonna hear some baby background noise right now that I'm talking. So I ended up going to Costco and I seen all of these there and I was like, you know what? Let's get them. They weren't even that expensive. For example, this big one right here that comes with 9 pieces was only $50. This one right here was $20 and it comes with 2 cereal bins. And then we have these for the fridge. So these were on sale right now. It is July 2021. So if you're interested in these and you're watching this video already, then definitely go get one before they take them off sale. So regular price for these are $20 and they were $15, so you get $5 off. And it comes with how many bins? 4 kitchen bin sets each. So these are more for like fruits and vegetables or your sodas and stuff. So I ended up going with 2 of these because we do have a lot of stuff in the fridge. And this is the whole set I got today at Costco. I want to say it was probably like $50, like $120 on all these. I mean, it's worth it because you're gonna have your fridge nice and organized, and I love things organized. I don't even know why I waited this long to do this. I guess TikTok makes you do things nowadays. So definitely follow me on TikTok if you have a TikTok. I have all my links for all my social medias down below, and follow me on Instagram too. So let's get started with this organization video because I can sit here and talk to you guys for years and years and you guys would just click out of the video. So definitely don't click out of the video. Keep on watching and let's start organizing. Alright, so we're going to start off with the fridge, and I start out by cleaning out the fridge. I love to work with a clean environment. Once it's all nice and clean, I am ready to start putting everything in. So I'm starting off with the 4-piece kitchen set. It comes with this one right here that's for like drinks, like sodas. It comes with these 2 small ones. I would put vegetables in there or like little yogurts, and also this big one. These are the 4 pieces that it comes with. So let's start organizing. So on this one, I'm putting some Trulies. I mean, a normal size soda would fit on here, but my Trulies are a little long, so we made it work. So this next bin is a big one, and I'm putting a lot of cheese in there because we are a cheese family. We love our cheese here. And this next one, since I have 4 of these little bins, I decided to put some yogurts in there and it looks nice and organized. So on the other little ones, I put some cutie tangerines on one of them, and on the other one I put my limes. And these bins are cool because you can stack them up on each other to use less room in your fridge. On my last little bin, I put my tomatoes, and I always put my new ones on the bottom and my old ones on top. That way I know I use them. Alright, so on my last bin, I am putting our fruits, our mangoes, our apples, our pears. I like to put my fruits in the fridge because I like to eat them nice and cold. I don't know if you guys are the same, but that's how I am. Alright, so I am done with all the bins that I bought for the fridge. I know the fridge still looks empty, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks with the bins. I still need to stock up the rest of the fridge with our meats and other stuff on there, but it makes it look very nice and clean, and I actually really like that I did this. Alright, so moving on to the pantry. So my house is very small and we have an IKEA kitchen. So this is like an IKEA pantry and it is very small. As you can see, it pulls out with just these 4 sections, but we're going to make it work, guys. We're going to make it work today. Alright, moving on to the cereal bins. So on one of them, I am putting Cheerios. These are my daughter's favorites, so we had to add the Cheerios on there. These are so cool too, the lids. You just click on it and it just opens up and you can just scoop into your plate. And the other one is just honey oats for my husband. Alright, so right here is a 9-piece bin set, and make sure you guys wash them before you guys start using them. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video, but this is the 9-piece set. So let's get started on organizing these. Right, so this set has 2 of these medium tall bins, and on one of them I'm putting a rice, and on the other one I decided to put my lasagna pasta in there. Right, so I also got 2 of these little rectangle bins, and on one of them I decided to put black beans on it, and you're gonna see me here grab different bags because I was so unorganized and I had like 2 different brands, and that's why we should stay organized, guys. But I ended up doing that, and on my next one is a big square one. It comes with 2 of those also, and on one of them I am putting, I think these are called peruanos beans. They're like the white beans, and these are my favorite. They're kind of taste like pinto beans, but these are just called peruano beans, and we love these. And once again, another different brand because we are so unorganized. But that is ending today, guys. That is all ending today. And on another little small rectangle bin, I decided to put our pinto beans because we hardly eat pinto beans. So I decided to use a small bin on that one. Alright, so on these last 2 little bins that I have left over, I am putting some pasta on one of them, and on the other one I decided to put some trail mix on there. So that is all that came with the 9-piece set, and that was 2 sets that I used in this video. So I knew I needed more, so I went on Amazon and bought me another set, but this is like a completely different set, and this is the baking set by the same brand. You can find it on Amazon, and it comes with 2 big bins that you can put like flour in there. So this is more for like the baking stuff, but let's use them and see how I organize them. Right, so I also forgot to mention that I bought 2 sets of the 8-piece baking set, and on one of them I am putting almond flour. And the cool thing about these is that they come with these cool scoops that you can attach on the bottom and just place on there, and they're ready to scoop out whenever you need them, which I love this about this set. It is just so convenient, and it's just already ready for you when you're ready to bake. You already have your scoop in there. So the set came with this other little one, and I have 2 of them because I bought 2 sets, and on one of them I am putting chia seeds and the other one some powdered sugar. So these little bins come with 2 in each set, so I have a total of 4, and on these I'm gonna put quinoa on one of them. You can put like sprinkles and stuff, but I decided to do quinoa, and the other one lentils, since those are like little things that I don't use as often, but I still wanted them organized. And on the other ones I am putting shaved almonds and walnuts. We love these when we bake. So I'm finally done filling up all my bins, and I am going to tag them each with sticker paper. So these sticker papers, I made them myself. They just give it such a cute vibe and such a pretty organized way for your pantry to look even cuter. So I'm going to show you guys how I made them. So I went on pickmonkey.com. That is where I design all my sticker stuff or like my business things, and all I did was do little squares on 8x11 size paper. That way when I print it out, it's all on one sheet of paper, and then I choose my font and write out each one of the bins that I need to organize. Then I print it out, and this is how it looks. I ended up using my sticker paper that I got on Amazon, so you can find it there. I highly recommend this sticker paper. And I am using my self-hand Cricut cutter because I ended up doing little squares for a reason. That way I know where to cut, and you're not going to see those black lines. So I'm cutting right above the black line. That way when it is all into a square, it is just a perfect white clean square, and it looks very chic and nice. So it's finally time to organize everything, and I am starting with this last row on the pantry, which I am putting all my baking stuff in there all nicely and beautiful. As you guys can see, the stickers just give it a touch, and it looks just so much neater and nicer, and I ended up loving the way it looks. But these are all my baking stuff down here. So this little dessert stand, I actually found it in the dollar section at Target, and I am going to give it a use and put all our sprinkles on there. And ta-da! This is how the baking section looks. If you are liking this video so far, definitely hit that like button. Alright, so moving on to the next slide of my pantry, I am putting our grains. That is our beans, our oats, and everything that has to do with grains in here. And right on top of the grains, I am putting our snacks. I just ended up using this bin that I had laying around the house, and our little chips are in there. And I am putting other snacks in this clear container. This is our snack slide. And on the bottom here, I forgot to also add our oatmeal. So on our last top bin, I am putting our tall bins because Everything fits here that is taller, like our rice, our lasagna, our cereal ones fit perfectly up here. So that is what we ended up putting up here, and a little bit of pasta and stuff. So that is what's going up there. But I am completely done with this pantry. I had so much fun doing this video. If you guys enjoyed me organizing my small little pantry, give this video a like and let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed it or if it motivated you to do your pantry. Let me know in the comments down below. Give me any more tips that you think I should add on there. And also, I forgot to mention this row right here. This is just like our vitamin row and stuff like that, so it didn't really matter. But that is it, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.